Hi there, welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the registration form section of the Members tab. Let's begin. The registration form is what users see when they create an eClub or members account on your website. For reference, this right here is a registration form. In the back end of your website, you can manage the registration form by updating the form settings and adding or editing fields for the form. First, you can set up content in the editor. The content will display above the registration form on the website. You can leave the editor blank if you wish. However, as you can see here, I have written sign up below to be a part of our eClub. Something simple, such as the description of your eClub, is a great thing to add here as well. Below the editor, there's additional settings that are optional. When updating any of these settings or the content editor, be sure to click the Update Settings button below. Now, let's move on to the fields for your registration form. Every registration form is required to have an email address and birthday field. The rest are optional fields. However, by default, we add the first and last name field to every form. As you can see below, you can see the preview of your registration form. So like I said, every website comes with an email address and birthday field. We add the first and last name by default, and if you want to add more, you can do so above. You have the option to add additional fields such as phone number, address, etc. To add one, simply choose the field, add a label, decide whether or not you want it to be required, and then click Add Field. It will then be listed below. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to click on the page demo, visit our help center, or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.